After watching this video you will be able to understand how to acclimate fish. Whenever people pass through a pet store in the market, some of them get excited to look for a new pet to add to their home. One of those pets is fish. When you buy a new fish, it is in a plastic bag with water and oxygen in it. But it becomes a common scenario for a fish to die in just a snap after being immediately transferred in the home aquariums. Due to these instances, a lot of fish owners always blame the pet store for having poor health and maintenance of the fish they sell. This sudden death of fish is due to improper conditioning. Pet owners must know the proper process on how to give enough time for the fish to adapt to a new environment, especially to the temperature, oxygen content, and other nutrient levels of water. This process is called fish acclimation. Before having more information about how to acclimate fish, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Fish acclimation with the drip method. Place the plastic bag in the aquarium. Place the plastic bag in the aquarium for 20 to 30 minutes until it floats on its own. Make sure that the knot of the bag is tightly closed. This process is called temperature acclimation. It will help the new fish to adapt or adjust to the temperature of the water in the tank or aquarium. Add water to the plastic bag. In adding water to the bag, open the plastic bag, then get a half cup of water in the tank, then slowly add it in the bag. Repeat the process every 15 minutes. This gradual process allows the fish to adapt to the change not only to the water temperature but also to the oxygen content, other nutrient levels, and even to sounds. Get a bucket. After adding water, you will need a bucket where you will pour the contents of the plastic bag. The bucket must be clean and big enough to accommodate the content. Slowly lift the bag and gradually pour the content into the bucket. Set up the siphoning tube. Put one end of the siphoning tube in the aquarium down to the bucket with a drip rate of 3 to 5 drops per second. It will let the water flow automatically. If it is already correctly set, make the process work until the water in the bucket doubles. Transfer the fish. It is time to transfer the fish to your aquarium. Using a clean plastic bag, slowly scoop the fish out of the bucket and gently pour it in the aquarium. Remember to take some extra caution in transferring the fish into the aquarium. How to acclimate fish. Conclusion. In conclusion, a thorough and careful acclimation process will let your new fish adapt gradually. It will also give the chance to survive longer. But as a pet owner, you must also be attentive to protect other fishes from the new ones. For more information about how to acclimate fish, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.